Let me say something that might sound backwards. Networking doesn't work, at least not the way most people do it. Because if networking worked the way it's preached, everyone who went to events, joined Facebook groups, and collected business cards would already be successful. But they're not. So today, I want to show you why most beginner entrepreneurs fail at networking, what real networking actually is, and how to build connections that actually move your business forward. Stay with me because this saves you years of wasted effort. Most beginners think networking means who can help me, who has money, who can open doors for me. So they walk into rooms empty handed, but full of expectations. And here's the truth no one tells you. People don't avoid beginners because they're new, they avoid beginners because they have nothing to offer. No value, no clarity, no effort. It's not an insult, it's just a wake up call. If network feels awkward, forced, or useless, you're probably doing it too early and too selfishly. Let me show you the right order. Real networking is not about asking, it's about positioning. When experienced people meet you, they subconsciously ask, do you take action? Do you follow through? Do you bring energy or do you drain it? Are you serious or just thinking about it? Most beginners fail here because they say things like, I'm still figuring things out. That sentence kills momentum instantly, not because you're early, but because you're uncommitted. Here's the shift that changes everything. You don't network to get help. You network to show progress. I'm going to give you 3-step networking framework for beginners. Step number 1, build before you ask. Before you reach out to anyone, start something, post something, or document something. Even if it's small, a landing page, a YouTube channel, a simple service, or a project in progress. Progress attracts mentors, ideas alone repel them. Step 2, replace can you help me with this. Never say, can I pick your brain? Say this instead. I've been working on X. Here's what I've learned so far, and I'm testing Y next. That one sentence signals action, clarity, seriousness. People help builders, not dreamers. Step 3, use proximity, not platforms. Beginners will chase DMs, cold emails, big names. That's the hardest path. Instead, go where builders already are. Communities, comments, small groups, local meetups, niche forums, creator replies. Mentorship usually starts small, not formal. Here's the part most people don't want to hear. You don't need a mentor yet. You need momentum. Mentors show up after the movement, not before. Network isn't about collecting people. It's about becoming someone worth connecting with. When you take action, show progress, or stay consistent, you stop chasing connections and start attracting them. And that's when everything changes. If you're early in your journey, focus less on asking and more on building something real. Because once you do, you won't have to network. People will find you. If you want help figuring it out, what to build first so networking actually works, check the link in the description.